Autonomy will play a critical role in the future of mining, but it's already making impacts. These machines are hard at work in mines all over the world, autonomously drilling, dozing, loading, and hauling. But it can be a major undertaking to implement or even expand autonomous technologies. One that requires an experienced partner with industry-leading solutions and proven expertise. Cat MineStar Solutions is the global leader in mining autonomy, setting the standard for safe, productive, and proven autonomous operations on the surface and underground. Our suite of autonomous technologies is scalable, which means you can take a building block approach to autonomy, adding one solution, one process, or one technology at a time, and at a rate which makes sense for your operation. MineStar can help you begin your autonomy journey with something simple like remote control dozing or drilling, which gives operators full line-of-sight control from safe working distances. Using remote operating centers, operators can control their machines from anywhere, including the surface, when operating Cat LHDs underground. And in some applications, MineStar enables operators to control multiple machines at once. Then, when you're ready, there's autonomous hauling. Cat MineStar powers the largest fleet of autonomous hauling vehicles in the world, having now moved 2.5 billion tons of material without a single lost time injury. They're reliable too. Cat autonomous trucks work 24/7 in loose underfoot, hard-packed iron, desert dust, freezing cold, and everything in between. Whatever level of autonomy you choose, Cat MineStar experts stay on site with you after the sale, ensuring the outcomes you want are the results you achieve. These implementation teams are simply the most experienced mining autonomy teams in the world, and no one can help your operation implement autonomy more quickly or more smoothly. From expanding infrastructure to implementing new processes and technologies, and from training personnel to managing change, the autonomous mine sites of tomorrow are underway today, and Cat MineStar Solutions is making it possible, one building block at a time.
As building costs continue to rise, the dream of owning a home is out of reach for most people. By 2025, 1 in 3 urban dwellers will struggle to have their housing needs met by the construction industry. Companies big and small are decentralizing as the new normal moves rapidly towards remote work and collaboration, requiring smaller, smart satellite workplaces. 4 visionaries from diverse backgrounds came together to completely reimagine the way we design and construct our homes and offices. Together, they wondered why the construction industry continues to build using archaic methods instead of embracing new ideas and technologies. And thus, Mighty Buildings was born to rethink what is possible, to fundamentally transform the way buildings are conceived and constructed in the 21st century. By scaling up 3D printer technology, then leveraging the best in automation and robotic fabrication while using state-of-the-art composite materials, Mighty Buildings is emerging as one of the world's most innovative modular dwelling manufacturers. Mighty Buildings produces the first 3D printed structures to be UL certified by the prestigious Underwriters Laboratories. Mighty Buildings can currently 3D print a 350 square foot accessory dwelling unit, an ADU, in 24 hours or less, using 95% fewer labor hours, with 1/10 the waste and scrap of traditional methods. Their goal is to automate 80% of prefab operations and reduce build times by up to 90%. But 3D printing is just the beginning. They are already bringing robotics to automate exterior finishes and pouring of foam insulation. Unlike concrete, the composite material they use is lighter, more energy efficient, and can be machined and finished by robotic arms. Due to the unique nature of Mighty Buildings' advanced composites, which harden almost instantaneously, as well as the latest advancements in reinforcing material with continuous glass fiber, architects, engineers, and home builders will have the freedom to create spaces with spans and configurations that would normally require large steel and concrete reinforcement. This opens up a whole new dimension of possible design options. The Mighty Building design and production process leverages industry-standard software to connect design directly to the production process for truly flexible and seamless flow of digital fabrication. Imagine architects working from home and deploying their new designs directly to highly automated factories. It's time to reimagine the way we build. It's time to put into force the convergence of 3D printing, automation, and advanced material science in a mighty new way that puts people and the planet first. It's time to make a change. It's time for Mighty Buildings.
These days, a growing number of architects, engineers, and contractors are using BIM. And here's why. Global trends are making AEC projects more complex, while advances in technology are helping industry professionals work more efficiently and effectively. This is where BIM comes in. BIM is an intelligent, model-based process that connects AEC professionals so they can more efficiently design, build, and operate buildings and infrastructure through BIM, or Building Information Modeling. With BIM, designers create digital 3D models that include data associated with physical and functional characteristics. The power of BIM is how it allows architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate on coordinated models, giving everyone better insight into how their work fits into the overall project, ultimately helping them to work more efficiently. The data in a model defines the design elements and establishes behavior and relationships between model components. So when an element in a model is changed, every view is updated, with the new change appearing in section, elevation, and sheet views. You can use the information in the model to improve your design before it's built. Gain faster buy-in and approvals with realistic visualizations. Convey design intent to the field. And, most importantly, retain model intelligence from concept to construction. BIM provides insight into a design's constructability, improving the efficiency and effectiveness of the construction phase, and also providing a better understanding of the building's future operations and maintenance. Owners can use BIM for predictive maintenance, asset tracking, and facilities management, and for future renovation or deconstruction projects. When you work with BIM, you'll experience reduced project risk, improved timelines and cost savings, and better project outcomes. And the power of BIM is growing with cloud-connected technologies that let project teams design and work together in all new ways. Driven by global trends, the AEC industry is in a time of transformation. Businesses that want to win more work, deliver projects more efficiently, and design better buildings need a powerful solution. And that solution is BIM.